Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 31st, 2021, the last day of October of this year. And I wanted to come in and give you all an update on biogenomics stock, right? I got some huge news that I wanted to tell you. You might not want to hear it, but it's okay, right? Because I'm the realest person that you're going to YouTube that's going to give you stock price predictions. We're not going to give you any fluff, any FUD, any FOMO, and tell you that every freaking stock is going to go up to the moon. No, we're not that type of people. We're going to give you the realest price prediction. And if that means that the market is anticipated to go down, I mean, you want to have somebody to tell you that, right? You don't want to have somebody to always tickle your ears and give you the fluff and the candy and the cotton candy and the rainbows and the cupcakes. No, you want someone to say, look, I know you're feeling like the market is going to go up, but looking at the price, it's kind of like it's going to go down. And I'm going to give you that. So if you guys want to have the realist, make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to our channel. All right, so check this out, because I do got some huge news that I want to explain to you that I'm seeing on the price chart. Now, we've done a price prediction in biogenomics. Take a look at this. We wanted the price to go up. We was expecting the market to give us some upward price movement in biogenomics, and that hasn't even been the case. So pump the brakes, right? If the market's not giving you what your expectations are, you need to cut the losses. You need to minimize the losses, because it might get worse. That's the huge news. On our last video in biogenomics was on September the 28th. So we've given it a whole month for this price to give us some upward movement, and it hasn't even done it. At some point, you got to say, dang, I got to cut it, because it's not going my way. I expected the price to go up, and instead of it doing that, it's been going down. Now, why would we want to cut it? It's because the expectation of us going lower is still there. We could go a lot lower in BNGO, biogenomics. And I'm going to show you all that, right? But first, let's cut this, because look at the market. It's dead. There's no interest, no viable demand coming into the market in biogenomics based off the price. If the market truly was strong, people would be buying the market in biogenomics, and the price would be showing some appreciation and movement. But we haven't even gotten that over the last month, right? So let's cut this. If it were to get out now, it'd be around 13%. Yeah, it got us. The trap did not uplift the price in biogenomics. It's cool. He got us on this one. We'll give him that one. But we're going to come back in and make sure we beat him on the next one, all right? So let me get rid of this, okay? So now, again, we've been tracking the price in biogenomics, right? Right here. Okay. This is important. $5 is important into the market in biogenomics. I mean, we've been hugging the market in biogenomics. What? I mean, we can take it all the way back to the beginning of this year, to where the market has upheld price above $5. Now, what would I tell you? Or what would you think if I told you that the price is about to break $5 to the downside? Like, what would you think? That I'm crazy? That it can't happen? That it's impossible? That we got earnings coming up and the market's going to jump from there? I know. I'm going to get some type of comment like that, because people, for some reason, cannot fathom price dropping in the stock market. It hurts their inner ability to say, I can't believe that the market went down because such and such told me that biogenomics was going to go up, that biogenomics is a good play, that I need to buy biogenomics on the dip. There's been plenty of YouTubers been pumping biogenomics because of Kathy Woods, ARK Invest, of them playing in the market. Now, understandably, they're not going to give you any information that's going to be beneficial to you. No, they're in here to make money. And if they drop you some secrets, then it casts out the bag. They don't want to do that. They don't want to give out their cash cow on how they're making their money. Are you serious? No. So that's why you come in and pay attention to the chart, because they can't lie on the price chart. So let me show you if the price in biogenomics is going to break $5 to the downside. Okay. So this is the weekly, 3-day time frame into the market in biogenomics, right? You can see it. We've been in a sustained downtrend into the market in biogenomics, right? Let's keep it real. We're in a downtrend, right? Now, we're getting real close to make a decision into the market in biogenomics, right? Either we're going to break down or we're going to break out. Either or, right? Between those two lines, either or. Now, Which one do you think is more likely to occur? Because I'm going to switch this thing over to a longer term time frame and give you what the long term looks like. This is the weekly right here. Look at this. 3 consecutive weeks, right? We cannot deny it. The market tried in biogenomics to break out. The last 3 consecutive weeks, we've tried to see this market break out and move up higher in price. But each one of these 3 weekly price bars, we've seen the price close at the low. What does that mean? It means that there were more selling going on the last 3 weeks than there were buyers. And when the market is overwhelmed, especially when you see a trade at a very sustained and strong support area, you're looking for the market to break that to the downside. And that's on a weekly basis. Let's take a look at the market in biogenomics on the monthly then. Let's see how we look on the monthly. Look at this. Last 4 months, the price in biogenomics has been closing lower than the previous month. Now, let's keep it real. I mean, right there in August, the buyers try to come in and bring the price back up. We saw that in September. They tried to bring the price back up, and we're still going down. Like, I don't get it. Why will people give you videos and tell you that the prices is going to go up in biogenomics, and every month we're seeing the price close lower than the previous month? These are dead giveaways that the market is weak, that the market is getting hit with more sellers than they are buyers. And it all started right here on this month. We haven't recovered from what happened during the month of June. That is where it all started. And since that month of June, biogenomics hasn't been in a downtrend. And everyone else is trying to get you to read articles, trying to give you some type of catalyst that will spur the price up in biogenomics. And look, here we are, 4 months in, and the price is still going down. That's why we don't pay attention to that. That's why we don't need information and news. We just need to focus in on what people are doing with their money. And right now, people are selling in biogenomics. 5-month time frame. Look at this. It's even worse. In a 5-month time frame, right here. I mean, you could even take it on this 5-month price bar all the way up here. That started beginning of this year. It was a fantastic first 5 months of this year. I'll give you that. I mean, the market in biogenomics went all the way up there towards $16 in the first 5 months of this year. And here we are over the last 5 months. We started in June. Price did go up, but it wasn't as strong as it was the first 5-month price bar. And we still saw the price close on a low. So this translates over that within the next 5 months, we can expect the price to continue to dip. And you got to give me at least 5 months to let this prediction play out, though. All right. Because the weakness here on the 5-month time frame is still being garnished, and it is still being seen. Now, I'm going to play the weakness into the market in biogenomics. Okay. Until we see this market do one or two things. First, if price comes up and break above $6 or like $6.25, right? And 2, bring the price back down to like $3.90, maybe $4. That's the first spot. Okay. So let me transition this thing over back to the day so we can see it better. All right. So this is it right here. Bring this in closer. So now you guys can see it. We're playing the weakness into the market in biogenomics, looking for the price to go down. Okay. Bring this in closer so we can get a better idea as to what we're looking forward to. I'm going to get rid of this descending line. I'm expecting the price to come in and break $5 to the downside. Okay. Now, from a 5-month perspective, we can see that. Okay. We can see that happen in 5 months. But I know I'm gonna get some comments once, the market in biogenomics bounce off this support at $5. That's the only thing that would go against this price prediction, is seeing the market hold $5. That's it. And if I continue to see that, then yeah, just like I did on this last price prediction in biogenomics, I'm gonna cut this one and play the strength into the market. But when I see on multiple time frames weakness being reiterated, I have to see, well, the market is still weak then. So let's look at this. First spot, for us to eat off the market in biogenomics is right there around $4.45. That's the first spot. $4.45. The second area is at $3.90. Okay. Which takes us all the way to this area here. Look at this. Right? Might get a quick touchdown there around $3 or like $4. Let's say $4. All right. Right there. So that's it. Two spots. $4.45 or 50 cents. Next area is going to be $4. All right. So this is the play. This is our updated price prediction into the market in biogenomics. Like I said earlier, the only way that this price prediction will go against us is us seeing the price hold $5 as support. That's it. And that's the only thing I'm going to be on the lookout for. Anything outside of that, we're going to continue to play the weakness. All right. So now let me know. Give me your price prediction into the market in biogenomics. This is the huge news that I wanted to come in and show you all, that the prospect of this price breaking support of $5 is increasing. And it doesn't look good right now. So, I mean, at least you want somebody to give you the heads up, right? Well, we got you. So now, call the markets with me. Let me know where you all think the price in biogenomics is going to go. And that's it. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.